Hey everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Smart HDR for iPhone camera. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the camera settings. Here, find the Smart HDR option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to Smart HDR option to turn it on. The switch will move to the right and change color to green, indicating that Smart HDR is now enabled. And this is how you can enable Smart HDR for iPhone camera. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.